So guys, welcome to my channel. So guys, how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver? So first you can see this is come to this website www.gigabyte.com. This is, and then this is search button. Okay, click on search, then enter your model number, and then hit enter B660MK DDR4. Then click on the title of the motherboard. Click on support. Then guys, select your operating system which is using Windows 10, 11, 11 Windows 10, 11. Okay, so select any installations process same. You can see this video and you can install the driver. Okay, chipset driver. So first we can Intel serial driver and click to download. It is completed. Just open and double click to exe. After open that, and then click to yes. And this is closed, means this is installed. Then download this one, Intel INF. Same, click to this is also for chipset. It is done and open. Double click to exe and then yes. So it is closed, means this is installed.